Guyabano, or soursop as it's more commonly known in English, is a small tropical fruit tree bearing a sweet heart-shaped fruit with a green outer skin and a soft, pulpy white flesh. It's been used as a refreshing fruit juice and tea for hundreds of years. You can mostly find this fruit in Central America, some sub-Saharan parts of Africa, and in Southeast Asia. The leaves of this little-known plant are also incredibly good for us. They're packed full of healthy carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and vitamins C, B1, and B2, which offer a whole host of benefits to the body. Stay tuned for the top 6 health benefits of drinking Guyabano leaves tea, plus how to make it yourself. 1. Immune system building. The importance of a healthy immune system is not lost on any of us. Guyabano leaf, which is used to make soursop tea, is loaded with nutrients, making it a great way to naturally boost your immune system. 2. Good natural energizer. Soursop tea is a great source of carbohydrates, which can replenish your low energy without the addiction that comes with caffeine. The leaves also have a high fiber content, which brings additional benefits including facilitating digestion and detoxification. Not only that, these nourishing leaves are a great source of the iron and vitamin C. Iron helps more energy-releasing oxygen to reach the bloodstream, while vitamin C helps you keep your endurance levels at an optimum. For this reason, drinking Guyabano leaf tea will help your body's systems and processes to function as they should, optimally. 3. Alleviates tummy troubles. Soursop leaves have been used traditionally as a source of relief for a range of stomach ailments, including ulcers. The antiviral and antiparasitic properties of the leaves can also deter intestinal worms and other parasites in the digestive tract. 4. Relaxes muscles, bones, and skin. One of the things that make Guyabano leaves a favorite among the native tribes of South America is their anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties. Consuming soursop tea can help to naturally soothe tensions and spasms and can even reduce pain from injuries or exercise. What's more, soursop tea is a powerful natural antimicrobial agent. This is why you'll find it being used as a home remedy to treat damaged skin and other conditions like skin irritation, inflammation, and itchiness. 5. Eases back pain. Another of the many soursop tea benefits is its potential to ease back pain without the adverse effects that can sometimes crop up with chemical drugs. Drinking Guyabano leaf tea on a regular basis can minimize trips to the chemist in search of analgesic and anti-inflammatory drugs. This is thanks to the high nutritional content present in the leaves, which makes them such a potent herbal medicine. 6. Mild sedative. Soursop has long been known to have sedative effects. The leaves and bark of the plant are especially famed for these qualities. Ancient tribes of the South American rainforest used to crush and sprinkle leaves from the Guyabano plant around sleeping areas to promote more restful sleep. Consuming a tea brewed from the soursop leaves is said to promote the release of serotonin, a hormone responsible for stabilizing and calming the body. For this reason, soursop tea can be a great natural supplement to relieve psychological conditions like stress, anxiety, moodiness, sleep disorders, loss of appetite, depression, and so on. There are a few side effects of Guyabano leaf tea that you should know about before you start drinking it yourself. It's strongly advised that you don't consume Guyabano tea or Guyabano leaves if you're taking blood pressure medication or diabetes medication. It's also been found that there is a risk of liver and kidney toxicity with repeated overuse of soursop. To make Guyabano leaves yourself, first boil 1 liter of water, then take 15 fresh or dried Guyabano leaves and 1 small stem if you have it. Cut the leaves into small pieces and put them into the boiling water. Continue to boil the water on a small flame for 30 minutes to brew the tea until the water evaporates to around 500 milliliters. When the tea is cooled, filter out the leaves and drink a cup of the tea 3 times every day for the best results. If 3 cups a day is a bit excessive for you, just drink 1 cup in the morning to start your day off right. You might want to add lime juice or honey for a sweeter taste. Guyabano leaves tea is one of the simplest and most beneficial beverages, yet many of us have never heard of it before. If you'd like to make the tea at home, you'll find the leaves available in health food stores or online. They may be called either Guyabano leaves or soursop leaves, so search for both if you want to find the best value for your money. It doesn't matter whether you buy them fresh or dried, as they offer the same benefits. Happy drinking! I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on 17 benefits of drinking moringa tea every day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.